Hello everyone, this is a tutorial showing how to use the Scratch 2 offline editor with your CM150 controller or your Dream 2 system. You have to use a software called R+SCRATCH also. What it does is connect between the Scratch 2 offline editor and the robot itself. Okay, so hopefully you have found and installed all of that. So have R+SCRATCH. And that kind of an interesting software package. Right now is we have the motorcycle, and on it I just have a little program in there. All it does is just play music. And I want to show you that once you connect Scratch to the robot, it immediately disable all the task program in it, because what it does is allow a Scratch program to connect to the robot. So the task program that you may have on the robot already will be completely disabled for during that time. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the motorcycle on, and you can see that here it's just playing that music, melody number 3 right now. Okay, so my dongle is on USB 3 COM port, so I'll connect to it. Okay, you hear immediately it connect to it and it turn off. It disabled that task program from running. So now we're connected good here. So you need to get and install the Scratch 2 offline editor. So some of you may already done it. So you know it have tons of block programming. Right now is we in the extension area. It have nothing, but we need to install our special blocks that work with the Dream system. So you need to push on Shift key and click on File to open it up. Go to Import, External HTTP, and then it depends on where you are. It's going to show the current directory, and then you have and assuming you have Windows, and this only work on Windows anyway, you have to go to C drive, Program File 886, Robotis, RoboPlus 2.0, R+SCRATCH, R+SCRATCH Data, R+SCRATCH again, go to Resources, go to Help, go to English or Korean if you happen in Korean, and choose the right JSON file, Java file here. So it's CM50 version 30 for 31 here. Open. And then you don't see anything here. You click on more block. Where did it go? Did I make a mistake? Let me try again. Esperanto. That's the one I want. Click open. Oh, finally, somehow I didn't click open. So when you click open, these are shown up. That's quite a few commands here. These are the specific command that interface with the robot directly. Okay. For example, let's try it. So right now it's connected. So let's say we play melody 0. That's melody 0. So you can see that remember that melody 3. Okay, so the nice things about the Scratch program is you can just anytime any command you want, you can immediately play it. Okay, let's say we want the motor to run. Let's say port 1. Let's see, I'm trying to get more room here so you can see. So if I click on it, it's going to turn on port 1 motor and run clockwise. I'm not sure which way it's going to go, but it's going to go immediately. I had to catch it. Here we go, go forward. And to stop it, you need to put up on the sign here. So let me bring it back. So right here. So we know that clockwise make it go forward. So if we go counterclockwise and click on it again, go backward, and you stop it here. You stop with the plus sign.